just like the stars guide us through the night. Love is the beacon shining bright. It knows no borders, it breaks all chains. Love in our hearts forever remain. Like the changing tides and the wind's gentle sway, love echoes softly in every word we say. In these troubled times, when darkness prevails, love's gentle voice, it never fails. I seek true love. Do you feel what you mean to me? True love. Does it show in every breath I breathe? True love. Through the shadows, I know you'll be true love. My shield against death and envy. What is love if it only stays confined? Like a river that flows through every line. Not just a moment, but a guiding light. Love's embrace through the darkest night. I seek true love. Do you feel what you mean to me? True love. Does it show in every breath I breathe? True love. Through the shadows, I know you'll be true love. My shield against death and envy. In times of plenty, love keeps me strong. When storms arise, I carry on. When my cup is empty, love fills my soul. Through every test, love makes me whole.